Hello everybody! Welcome to Intro to Jazz Drumming Part 2. Remember, if you don't have a drum set, that's totally fine. You can just grab a hardcover book and some pencils or chopsticks or drumsticks if you have them. You could also use a hand drum. So before we go into training fours, let's review some of what we did last time. We did triplets, which are counted like 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, and swung eighth notes counted like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So let's play some triplets together. 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended, 1-ended, 2-ended, 3-ended, 4-ended. And swung eighth notes. 1, 2, 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. Remember, the swung eighth notes are played by taking out the middle triplet, or the and. So it's only the numbers and the uhs when you're counting triplets, right? So 1, a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a. We also covered the jazz beat last time, which goes like this. 1 and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a. That's all the numbers, and the of 2, and the of 4. So a little faster, it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2. So with training fours, one of us are going to be playing the jazz beat while the other one is soloing for 4 measures. So why don't you try to keep the jazz beat going while I play triplets for 4 measures. In the same tempo. Okay, here we go. 2. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So it starts with me on triplets and you on the jazz beat for 4 measures. And then the next 4 measures is me on the jazz beat and you on triplets. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. So now let's do the same thing with swung eighth notes. So it starts with me on swung eighth notes while you play the jazz beat, and then we'll switch. 1, 2. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Get ready to switch. Very nice. So this time, let's keep switching back and forth for a while, but you could play either swung eighth notes or triplets. It's up to you. You can even mix them up in the same solo. So I'll take the first solo while you do the jazz beat, and then we'll switch and keep switching until we stop. 1, 2. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1.